Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video episode of Shout Me Loud. I'm your host Harsh Agrawal, and from past 12 years I've been helping users like you to make money from your blog, from your YouTube channels. As long as you're a creator, you would find something interesting on my channel. Now today video is for all the YouTubers out there, and this one is going to help you launch your merchandise on your YouTube channel. So imagine you already have a brand and you want to monetize it more. You want to give more to the community. What else can you offer than your branded t-shirts, your branded hat, and a lot of branded stuff like mugs, badges, and whatnot. And you can do that without actually owning anything, and you can start for free by watching this video. Now there is one requirement to do this, and that is you need to have 10,000 plus subscriber on your YouTube channel. And it works best if you have users from Western countries. And if you qualify for all this, go ahead, watch this video. It will help you to monetize your YouTube channel in much better way. Before that, here is an article which I wrote like almost a year back about how to make money on YouTube. And if you have not checked this article, I highly recommend you to check it out, because I have covered all the details of different tricks that you can apply to monetize your YouTube channel. Now once you have gone through this, you will also discover the merchandising would look something like this. Once you integrate this, this is your channel, and you will see your merchandise like this. Basically your user would see merchandising like this, and they could buy all this merchandising. And this is a great way to increase your fan following and give your fans something that they could cherish. And this is something you can do it from today. It will hardly take you an hour to launch something like this. So here is how it works. The very first thing, you need to go and sign up for this platform called TeeSpring.com, and TeeSpring.com is officially partnered with YouTube to help you launch merchandising. And how it works is, all you need to do is design your merchandising, let's say a t-shirt, on teespring.com, and it will be automatically added after all your videos, below your videos, on your desktop version and even on mobile version. And your viewers can actually order those t-shirts, and when they do that, you will earn a percentage of the profit. And you can set your own pricing if you like. That sounds super sweet to me, at least. So here is how it works. First, go ahead and create your account on teespring.com. Then log into studio.youtube.com, and you'll see a screen like this. Here, go to monetization section. Few important things before we get started. Okay, so number one, there are certain eligibility conditions for participate in the merchandising program. Your channel is approved for monetization. You are based in a country where the YouTube partner program is available. If your channel is a music channel, it has to be an official artist channel. If it is not a music channel, it has to have more than 10,000 subscribers. Your channel audience is not set for made for kids, and your channel does not have a significant number of videos set as made for kids. And few more conditions. It's available for following countries, including India, US, United Kingdom, Australia, and some of our biggest audience are from all these countries. And then you can check all these other countries which are listed here. So pretty much that's it. I'll leave the link of this help page in the description, so you can go ahead and read all the eligibility criteria. Now the easy way is, like, you simply log into your studio.youtube.com, click on monetization, and here you will see this option, following option. So click on merchandising, click on see more, and you will see a screen like this. So click on get started. And there are two shops which you can select from. One is Spread Shop, one is Spring. Spring is TeeSpring, and this is exactly what it looks like. So I've already created an account on teespring.com. If you have not created an account, it would prompt you to create an account. So you can do that by following the steps, or just create an account beforehand. And then select the store, click on continue, accept the terms and condition, and click on connect. Now you need to enter your ID number, so let me just do that, and click on get Spring ID, and you'll see a screen like this. and this is my Spring Store ID. So let me just copy paste it here, click on connect, and that's it. My channel is connected to teespring.com. Now the job is just partly done. Now the real fun starts, where you actually need to, so I need to name this store. Let's name this store Coin Sutra Crypto Store. Continue. Okay, and that's it. Now, depending on number of followers you have, if you have more than 100,000 followers, you can actually take help of their team for designing your merchandising. If you don't have 100,000 followers, which I don't have, which is okay, then you can design your own merchandising. You can click on create and you can start designing your own thing. So you can have multiple stuff, like you can have t-shirts, you can have face mask, you can have different accessories. So depending on which, whatever you want to offer, you can offer. So pretty much that's about it. So I'm not doing that step right now. I've actually forwarded this query to my designer. My designer will be designing some t-shirts, some merchandising, some logos, some funky looking t-shirt for my audience. And this is something that you can do. You can always find designers online. I think Fiverr is a great platform where you can find a lot of designers. Now with that, this is another great way to monetize your YouTube channel. And if you have not explored this option, go ahead, explore this, and it would not hurt because it does not cost you anything. Everything is free, and once you start selling, you never know, maybe you're sitting on gold mine. And if you like this video, do like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. Plus it also helps us to reach to more like-minded people. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.
Yeah.